Hi team. This is a Python dev pro team. So actually we will right now looking for the this Python dev pro application how it works. So this application is mainly focused on like a specific audience. They have developers, Python developers, Python freelancers, and PhD scholars, UG and master degree graduates. So those kind of people is very this useful. We need to getting to start this demo. We will simply click on this getting to start to sign in. Okay, then it's a moment to load for the sign in page, and I will go with the here my Google sign in, or else we can go with the normal uh, data like the local DB sign in also it's possible. So after successful sign in, we will get this message. Welcome back. My name is Saravana. So after that, it's application. It's like a simple look like UI only. So actually, it's like only the PDF URL and what it's doing exactly. First is read the entire PDF like title, abstract, introductions, and methodology, system model. So all things it's rated. After that, the same implementation will be done from according to that research paper. It's not only IEEE. It's based upon wherever the research paper will be there. We can everything will be implemented as soon as possible. So now I have in my paper. I locally I hosted on is this Edge One app. So right now this applications will be working on this URL only. I just given copy this URL, and if you see this paper also have like so many equations will be there, and some performance graph plots and system parameters. So literally so many things will be there. So it's working like different domains like power electronics, power system, and the image processing, and wireless sensor network, wireless communications, control systems. So it supports so many domain system. So I will just simply copying this PDF URL, and I will go to this our application. I just paste it over PDF URL. Just click to convert. Then it will be take like around 5 to 10 minutes to yeah. Now it's successfully generating a code for us of a single click. Here what PDF URL will be there, and some like a title will be captured. So if you could see this entire code based upon our PDF, right? It will be given to us. So what I will do is simply I will go and copy this code, or else we will download this code along with we can use some other place. So I have open in my right in my handy. I have like this Jupyter notebook. So I open this code scripter. I just paste the code, and I click this simple run. Run. So this code will be working on the standalone code. So we no need to bother about anything. It's running now. It's executing. Yeah, it's generating one result. Okay. Some iteration is iterating. Okay. See, actually, I will give the overview of this entire code. If we are completing this entire paper, almost it's take a minimum of 2 days, right? So this entire implementation, right? So we will done within single click of this Python Dev Pro, and we have get this entire code from that. So you can see each and every code will be commented according that understandable for if any non-technical person also see that, then they'll be understand easily. Okay, this is that section. We need to solve this one. Okay, this is what it will be work, and see run this QPSK QAM model. So everything will be captured here properly. System model and the system parameters also I saw in the top. Yeah, system parameters in the refer the simulations already. Okay, so it's so far it's good actually. So we will see the results in how it will do. Okay, okay, execution will be done. So you can see this. This is almost look like 85% is near to similar results. Okay, see this somewhat this spike will be there, but okay, it's a first time of run. So this application looks almost creating x-axis, y-axis, and legends and all properly, and you know the QPSK model and all also. See, almost it's a look like same only QPSK model. Yeah. So somehow it's fluctuated. So these things we will modify with the small parameter changes, then we will get exact results. So this is what this application works. So this is a power of this Python Dev Pro team. So if you are going to new conversation, again go to here, and you can generate some other PDF. So if you want to go to any previous sections, right, you can click the history, then your code will be there. So it will be like just now we created, so it's showing like this one. You will again view the code, and you can download the code directly. So I hope everyone can got this application now. Yeah, if you have any concern or anything, please concern feedback or any changes, please pass to us, and we will accordingly, as per that your request, we will deliberately given to you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Steve.